Sport fish restoration funds are very, very important to the management work we're able to do. We use those funds for hatchery management. We have biologists around the state that are assessing fish populations, anglers, and making sure that we're doing the management things we can do to make the best fisheries we can in the state.
Whether it's providing a boat ramp so a family can get out and enjoy that lake. It's just an endless list of benefits that come out of the funds.
Without the excise tax dollars, I shudder to think about where the industry would be, because it's such an important resource that drives the industry. It's a seed that germinates and allows us to be productive.
Probably the main reason for its success is the Sport Fish Restoration Act created a conservation partnership, if you will, between manufacturers, state agencies, and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service that have a singular vision regarding aquatic conservation in this country.
Our sport fish restoration funds are used to manage 5 state-owned fish hatcheries. It helps us manage over 50 state-owned lakes, over 400 boating accesses. It also funds our aquatic resource education program. So without these dollars, we would not be able to do any of those things.
It is the backbone of the work that everybody is doing in the conservation arena to make sure that we have plenty of fish, clean water, places to go boating, places to access those resources, and this is the funding that allows you to do that.
This is supporting an industry that's not only fishing, it's recreational. It's a guy with a bass boat, or it's a family with a towboat that gets to go out and use the brand new boat ramp. This is going back for conservation and for recreational use of our lakes and waterways.
There's nothing more important to the entire industry than having healthy fish populations, and the sport fish restoration monies help ensure that we have access to those fisheries and great habitat with healthy fisheries for people to go and enjoy.